Welcome to Novi Sushi and Bar. This is Master Sushi Chef Hiro Terada. Hi Hiro, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Excellent. Alright Hiro, tell us, what are we doing today?
Okay, today we're gonna make a cube sashimi.
Okay.
Okay. So actually, basically, cube sashimi is several different kind of fish. I'm gonna use a salmon and tuna and the whitefish, the escargot.
Okay.
And also, I'm gonna use avocado. Also, I'm gonna use cream cheese also. So,
tell us, what is the cube? Actually, we refer to that as a Hiro's cube.
Right now is our first page on the YouTube channel. We have a letter onto the, Facebook.
Right.
So we have a cube stuff like say, like this one. Each fish we have to cut in exactly square
like a perfect cube. Okay.
And then we're gonna do actually put on the layer on like this, like 1, 2, 3, coming like that.
All right.
And then we're gonna do like this. So first we need to cut all the sashimi to the cubic.
Okay. Show us on a diagram. Can you exactly what you're talking about? Can help our fans out there and kind of understand.
Okay.
And how many rolls are we doing?
So actually we're gonna do the cubics basically go like this. So we're gonna do the 4 pieces.
4 rolls
No,
actually,
actually
right?
4. One more.
Right.
Actually 4 more. So like this. Like this. The 4x4, which means the 16 pieces right here.
Right.
Another 16 and 16 and 16.
How many pieces
total
is that?
64 pieces.
64 pieces.
Cubic I have to make it.
All right.
So 64 divided by 4. If we're gonna do 4 different types of fish,
Okay.
divide by 4. So if I use more, so I'm gonna divide by 6 or something.
Okay.
Go like that. So
Now, if we were to do 3 rows of 3,
4 by 4. We're going to exactly make it 4 by 4.
now what if we were to do 3 by 3? What would it? How many pieces would we have to come up with?
3 by 3. 3 by 3 means like that. So 9 times 3.
27. Wow, so that's a big difference from 3 rows to 4 rows.
4 or 3 is a bit different.
All right. You know what? Let's do the 4 rows. How's that?
4, sure.
All right. This is going to take some time, so we're going to use some speed up photography here.
Yeah.
Let's show the fans out there how do we do this.
So this is a 1 piece. One. So I need to make 16.
16
of
of
this
this
one.
Oh, right.
Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna do this one for 6 right now.
Okay.
Then next one is tuna.
Okay.
And I go this way. Okay. I'm gonna cut off the edge first. Okay, so this one. So I have to make a 16 piece of the.
That'd be perfectly square too.
Okay.
All right.
This one here right now. Okay, next one is salmon. So salmon directly, I need to make like this shape.
We should tell the fans out there that nothing will get wasted. Everything will be used. Correct? All the scraps we use for our spicy tuna, spicy salmon rolls and all that.
Okay, salmon part.
Okay.
So make the 16 piece of this one.
Right.
Okay.
probably using the avocado as part of this. Alright, here we go. This is called the Hero's Cube. We're ready to assemble here?
Gonna be assembly.
Alright, let's do it.
This is the first layer of the pork.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna make the same one, 4 pieces.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna.
Oh, you transferred. Okay.
Well, just straight to.
You don't stack it on
the top too.
You don't stack it on top
so
of each other.
So you can do 2 way.
Okay. We prefer to do one layer at a time.
Right. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do another layer here.
All right. By the way, this has been requested many times from a lot of our fans, so here you go. Hope you enjoy it, hope you give it a shot. We try maybe do a 3x3, be much easier, less things to cut and much easier to put together. Okay, here we are, we're going to assemble this Hero's Cube now. Alright, Hiro, let's begin.
Okay. I'm gonna use the spatula.
Okay.
Just to the plate in the middle. So there. And then second one. Actually, I'm gonna change the difference between the color.
Okay.
This is I made actually exactly the same one. So it's coming the white and white. So
Right.
I'm gonna change to white and red. So let's switch around. Second layer. And sweet.
Everything trees.
Okay.
And Hero's signature touch, the 24 karat gold flake.
Gold flake.
almost too beautiful to eat.
A little bit dark side.
That's beautiful. Okay. Turn that around slowly for us, Hiro. That is beautiful. So that's how you do it, everyone. Hope you can share this video with all your friends. Appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Another shout out to all our friends and fans on YouTube. Thanks for supporting us.
Thank you.
See you in the next episode.